Okay, so here and in the next couple of clips, you are going to see me create kind of like this glowing effect. What I'm going to do is take this LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm just going to put that right over the middle of my eye in the middle of the pink. I'm going to go over that with a lighter shade of pink, and then that's almost like a white. And then on top of that, I'm going to go over it with that bright pink again, but just lightly. So it's going to create the effect that like the pink is glowing in that section almost like a neon or like a highlighter, like a neon sign. I don't really know. You guys get what I'm saying.